Hi, this is Geshe Michael Roach, and I wanted to invite you to a very special program. Each year, we go all around the world. We go to many, many countries. We see about 30,000 people all over the world, and we are working our way through 12 different levels of success training. Probably you know my story. I attended Princeton University. And the university sent me as a very young man to Asia, where I ended up spending over 25 years in a Buddhist monastery, and I was trained as a Buddhist scholar there. And I became a Geshe. So Geshe means sort of a master of Buddhism. And when I finished my degree, the monastery sent me back to New York, to Manhattan, and they said, can you use the great ideas that you learned here, this ancient wisdom, can you learn to use it in real life? Can you use this wisdom to become successful in a real life situation? And so I tried in Manhattan. I used these ancient ideas about how to plant karma, how to plant seeds in your mind. And I'm happy to say that I was able to help start the world's largest diamond jewelry business. We started with 3 people, and I remember we started with 3 diamonds. And towards the end of the company, we were doing 300,000 diamonds every day. And we became the largest diamond jewelry company in the world. And we were doing $250 million a year. And in 2009, super investor Warren Buffett bought the company. And people started asking me, a book company in New York asked me, can you write a book about these secrets, these ancient secrets that you learned in Asia, and you use them to build this huge company? Can you write a book about it? So I did write a book. It's called The Diamond Cutter. And that book became very successful all over the world. I think about 1 million copies. And I think in 35 different languages. And then people started to call me, would you come and give a talk in our country? So, every year I talk to over 30,000 people all over the world. And after giving a bunch of those talks, I decided, we should make a regular course, like 12 courses, 12 different levels of success, of how to be a successful person. So we started this idea of the Diamond Cutter Institute, and we have 12 levels of success, and we train you from the very beginning levels of financial success, then we go into successful relationships, and many details of how to be a well-rounded, happy, wealthy, and very successful person. And level 11 is very cool. I've been working on it for a long time, and I call it time management and the inner conversation. So what does that mean? I think, people in the modern world, something that we all need is how to find the secret to time management. I'm just like you. I grew into this new world of the internet, laptop computers, we have smartphones, we have access to the internet. And then, we think that it should make us more efficient. We should be able to get information faster. It should make the management of our time more efficient. But what happened, and you know it and I know it, is that with the modern electronics, with the internet, something strange has happened, and all of us have become more busy than before. We have less time for ourselves than we ever had before, and it's very much more common in the modern world to see people stressed out about the management of their time. So we've applied this ancient wisdom that I learned in Asia. We've taken those secret principles of how to plant seeds, how to use karma, and we've applied it to a brand new DCI level 11 about how to manage your time. And you're going to have an exciting group of people studying how to manage your time more successfully. And I have to say that the solutions we are going to give you are totally something new that you've never heard of before. Because we are actually going to mess around with time itself. We are going to look in to where time comes from. And we are going to look into how to change time to fit you so you don't have to fit your time. And if you learn this DCI level, I will say that you will have much more time in your life. You'll be more relaxed, you'll be more efficient, you'll be able to get more done in less time, and you'll feel this time stress that we all have. Oh, I have to do more. Oh, I don't have time to do everything I want to do. This time stress will melt away. You'll find yourself relaxed, happy, peaceful, but still very busy, still using every moment of your time successfully, but in a way that you do not feel time stress.